Think you know your car inside out? Most drivers do, until they realize what they've been overlooking. These hidden features aren't just cool, they could save you time, money, or even your life. Yet 7 out of 10 drivers never use them, and one of them completely caught me off guard. It's subtle, often ignored, and could matter when it counts most. Watch till the end, skip ahead, and you might miss the one thing your car's been hiding all along. Let's dive in. Feature number 17, fuel door indicator arrow. You're in a borrowed car or maybe a rental. You pull up to a gas station and realize you don't know which side the fuel cap is on. Instead of stepping out or guessing, check your dashboard. Next to the fuel gauge, there's a small arrow pointing to the side where your fuel door is. This simple feature has been around for years. Most modern cars have it, yet many drivers don't notice it. This trick saves time and avoids awkward turns at the pump. And while that tiny arrow saves time at the pump, this next one can save you a trip to the mechanic. Feature number 16, one-touch window reset. Have you ever held the switch, but your window won't roll up or down with one touch anymore? It's not broken, it just needs a reset. Most cars today have auto up or auto down window buttons. With a single press, the window rolls all the way without holding the switch. But sometimes, after a battery change or window repair, this feature stops working. To reset it, lower the window fully. Hold the button down for 2 to 5 seconds. Then, raise the window and hold the switch up for another 2 to 5 seconds. That's it. You've reprogrammed the feature. Some cars may have slightly different steps, so it's good to check your owner's manual. Toyota, Ford, Honda, and others all support this. No need for a mechanic. This quick reset works on most power windows after 2005 and saves you cash. Speaking of windows, did you know your key fob might control them too? Feature number 15, key fob window trick. On many cars, if you press and hold the unlock button, all the windows roll down. Some cars even let you close them by holding the lock button. It's perfect for letting hot air out before you get in, especially on a hot day. This feature works on several brand name models. It's often not listed in the manual, so many drivers miss it. You don't need any tools or setup. Just try holding the unlock button for a few seconds and watch what happens. If it doesn't work, check your car's settings or ask the dealer. It might need to be turned on in the system. Just don't forget, it only works when you're close to the car. But your key fob isn't just for convenience. The next feature proves it can also be a lifesaver. Feature number 14, panic button for emergencies. If you ever feel unsafe in a parking lot or think someone is following you, press and hold the panic button. It usually sets off your car's alarm, flashing lights and loud honking. This can draw attention, scare off threats, or help you find your car fast in a crowded area. Most key fobs have the panic button marked with a red symbol or labeled panic. Just hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds. The alarm will keep going until you press the button again or unlock the car. This feature can also help in medical emergencies. If you can't reach your phone but need help, the noise might alert people nearby. And if you're ever in serious trouble, this next hidden function could actually help someone escape a life-threatening situation. Feature number 13, trunk escape handle. Since 2001, this small glow-in-the-dark handle has saved lives, but most people have no idea it's even there. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration issued this rule after several tragic cases in which children got trapped inside trunks, and some didn't survive. The handle usually glows in the dark and hangs near the trunk latch. It's designed so anyone locked inside can pull it and open the trunk from the inside. It's especially important for families with young kids and also for safety during carjackings or emergencies. The handle works even if the car is locked. Show your kids where it is. It's small, often ignored, but there for a reason. That one's all about emergency prep, but the next feature takes us back to everyday comfort with something that's right above your head. Feature number 12. Sliding or extending sun visor. You flip the sun visor to block the glare, but there's still sunlight hitting the side of your face. Annoying, right? Many cars come with a simple solution, a sliding or extending sun visor. This feature lets you pull the visor out or slide it along the rod to cover more of the window. It's great for early morning or late afternoon drives when the sun sits low. Some visors also have a second flap or an extra panel that folds out. This feature is found in many brands, including Toyota, Honda, Hyundai, Audi, and Volkswagen. It's often overlooked because it's not marked, and not all drivers know it moves. To check yours, gently pull the visor toward the door or along the hinge. If it moves, it slides. If it folds out, you've got an extender. And while that helps with sun glare, the next trick tackles winter fog and frost head-on. Feature number 11. Automatic rear defogger timer. When you press the rear defogger button, it clears fog or frost from the rear window. What many people don't know is that in most cars, it turns off by itself after a set time. This is called a timer shutoff. It's built into many vehicles to save battery power and prevent overheating. Most timers run for 10 to 15 minutes, then shut off automatically, even if you forget. In some models, the system can also reactivate with the front defroster or when outside temperatures are low. This feature is handy during early morning drives or in winter weather. Staying warm and seeing clearly is nice, but staying comfortable comes down to what you feel too. Feature number 10. Adjustable seatbelt anchors. If your seatbelt cuts into your neck or feels too loose across your chest, don't ignore it. There are fixed seatbelt adjusters. Most cars have this feature on the B-pillar, right where the seatbelt comes out near your shoulder. It lets you raise or lower the belt to better suit your height. Just press or lift the release button and slide the anchor up or down until it sits comfortably. This is more than just comfort. A poorly positioned seatbelt can increase the risk of chest or neck injuries in a crash. According to the NHTSA, proper seatbelt fit reduces the risk of serious injury by almost 50%. This feature is especially helpful for shorter drivers or anyone who shares a car with people of different heights. Once adjusted, the belt should sit snug across your chest and flat over your shoulder, never across your neck. And if you're all about comfort, here's another feature that makes sunny drives a breeze for everyone in the car. Feature number 9, climate control sync and rear lock. If your car has dual or tri-zone climate control, this one's for you. Climate Control Sync lets the driver control all zones at once. Instead of adjusting each zone separately, you just press the sync button. It links the passenger and rear settings to the driver's controls. One touch and everyone gets the same temperature. Then there's the rear lock feature. This lets the driver lock out rear seat climate controls. It's useful when kids keep changing the settings or if you just want full control from the front. These features are common in family cars and SUVs like the Honda Pilot, Toyota Highlander, and Ford Explorer. They make it easier to keep the car comfortable for everyone without constant back and forth. Check your dash or touchscreen for the sync and rear lock buttons. But even with the perfect cabin temperature, your music volume might still have a mind of its own. Feature number 8, smart audio volume. Ever notice your music gets louder as you speed up and softer when you slow down? That's not a coincidence. It's called speed sensing volume control. This feature adjusts your audio volume based on how fast you're driving. As road and wind noise increase, your car gently raises the volume. When you slow down, it lowers it again, so it's not too loud. It works in the background, so you don't have to keep adjusting the knob. In some cars, you can even change how sensitive the system is. Check your car's audio settings for options like speed volume or auto volume. it may be off by default. This small feature makes a big difference on highways and in city traffic. It keeps your sound balanced and your focus on the road. While your ears enjoy balance, your eyes need backup when reversing. And the next built-in feature might be the perfect solution. Feature number 7, auto tilt mirror for parking. Ever struggle to see the curb or parking lines when backing up? The tilt-down reverse mirror can help with that. In some cars, the passenger side mirror tilts downward automatically when you shift into reverse. It gives you a better view of the curb, your rear tires, or tight parking spaces. Once you shift back to drive, the mirror returns to its normal position. This feature is common in luxury cars like BMW, Lexus, and Mercedes-Benz. But many mid-range models like Nissan, Honda, and Volkswagen offer it too. To activate it, you may need to turn the mirror selector switch to the passenger side. In some cars, it's always on. Check your owner's manual if you're not sure. It's especially useful for avoiding curb rash on your wheels or making sure you're not too close to a sidewalk. Feature number 6, windshield wiper service mode. Changing your wiper blades? Don't force them up. Use the windshield wiper service mode instead. Many modern cars have wipers that hide below the hood when turned off. This makes them hard to lift or replace. Service mode moves the wipers to the middle of the windshield so you can clean or replace them easily. To activate it, turn the car off, then quickly tap the wiper stalk up once. In some models, it's done through the settings on the infotainment screen. The exact steps vary by brand, so check your owner's manual or dealer guide. It protects the wiper arms and prevents damage to the hood or wiper motor. If you're swapping wiper blades or clearing off ice, service mode makes it quicker. That trick makes maintenance easier. And so does this next overlooked control, especially for shared cars. Feature number 5, seat memory settings. Tired of readjusting your seat every time someone else drives your car? Seat memory settings can fix that. Many cars today come with memory buttons on the driver's door or seat. These buttons let you save your perfect seat position and sometimes your mirror and steering wheel settings too. After adjusting your seat, just press and hold a button, usually labeled 1 or 2. Then, when you get in, press your number and everything moves back automatically. This is great for families or shared vehicles. There is no more guessing or sliding back and forth to find your spot. Some cars even link the seat memory to your key fob. When you unlock the car, it knows who you are and adjusts everything for you. But when it comes to child safety, nothing beats this next hidden feature. Feature number 4, hidden child seat anchors. If you've ever struggled to install a child seat, here's a solution. Your car may already have hidden latch anchors, making it easier. Latch stands for lower anchors and tethers for children. Since 2002, all cars sold in the US are required to have them. The lower anchors are usually tucked between the seat cushions in the back row, right where the seat back meets the seat base. They can be hard to find at first. Some cars hide them behind small fabric flaps or plastic covers. Others mark them with a small button or symbol on the seat. These anchors make it safer and faster to install car seats without using seat belts. They're strong, tested, and designed to hold the seat in place during a crash. If you have kids or drive them often, it's worth checking your back seat. Once you find the latch anchors, you'll never want to wrestle with seat belts again. Feature number 3, lockable glove box. Your glove box can do more than hold car papers and napkins. In many cars, it also locks, and that can help keep valuables safe. A lockable glove box adds an extra layer of security, especially when you're parking in public places. It's handy for storing your wallet, spare keys, or documents when you don't want to carry them around. Most glove boxes lock with the same key as your car door or ignition. Just turn the key in the lock on the front of the glove box door. This feature is especially useful in convertibles or rental cars. If someone breaks in, a locked glove box may stop them from grabbing what's inside. Luxury brands and even many economy cars like Toyota, Honda, and Ford include this feature. Yet, many drivers forget it exists. If your glove box has a keyhole, use it. It's a simple way to protect your stuff. Feature number 2, steering wheel, trip data controls. Your steering wheel does more than steer. It also holds buttons that control your car's trip data screen. These trip data controls let you view useful driving information without taking your hands off the wheel. You can scroll through fuel economy, average speed, trip time, distance traveled, and even tire pressure, depending on your car model. The buttons are usually on the left or right side of the wheel. Some cars use a dial or arrows to move through the menus. You'll often see the results on the small screen between the speedometer and tachometer. This feature helps you drive smarter without getting distracted. You don't need to reach over to the center console or guess your stats. So, next time you're behind the wheel, check what those buttons do. While that screen shows you trip stats, the next feature helps you track things long term. Last but not least feature, the Odometer trip meter. This small button can do more than you think. It's usually found near your speedometer and is marked as trip, or AB. Press it, and you'll see trip A and trip B readings. These let you track distance for specific drives without touching the main odometer. You can use it to measure fuel mileage, time between oil changes, or the length of a road trip. To reset it, hold the button for a few seconds. Many drivers ignore this feature, but it's one of the easiest ways to track car usage. It's helpful when logging mileage for work or checking how far a tank of gas gets you. Nearly all cars, even older models, have this. It's simple, clear, and super useful. Give it a try the next time you fuel up or hit the road. It helps you stay in tune with your car's performance. That's it for 17 hidden car features you've probably never used. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more. Next up, rare car facts most drivers never heard about. Click the link below to watch now.